Hello friends, in this video I'll show you how to add a product to your GoHighLevel funnel steps so people can purchase from you. As you can see on the screen, I have already designed a product selling funnel page to show you the entire process. If I scroll down a bit, you'll see our packages section. Here we have added 3 products, so that I can show you how to add multiple products. The number of products you'll have depends on your service or offer. Our checkout feature is set up as a pop-up. When I open the pop-up, you can see our 2-step order form here. Under the Select Item and Order Summary sections, it says Dynamic Item. When the products are connected to this page, it will automatically show those products on the live view. Let's start the product setup process. From the funnel step where we want to add the product, we'll go to the Products tab. Right now it looks empty because we don't have any products yet. Click on the Add Product button. Now you can see the option to connect a product here, but the drop-down doesn't show any products. In GoHighLevel, products are linked to the funnel page from the Products tab, but you have to create them in a different place first. To create a product, click on the Create a New Product by clicking here link. This will take us to the product creation page. You can also reach here by clicking Payments on the left menu and then clicking on Products tab at the top. Here, we can either import products using a CSV file or import from Stripe. You can also create products manually as per your need. Here, we need to add the product title first, then the product description. If we want, we can organize our products into collections as well. There are several other options available here too. The pricing section is very important. Depending on the type of product, we can set it as a one-time payment or a recurring payment. Next, we'll enter the product price. If we want, we can also add a compare at price. If the product has variants, we can add the variant details here. You can also set search engine friendly product SEO title and description. However, the main fields you need to fill out are the product title, price type, and price amount. Once these are done, click on the Save button, and your product will be created. We have created our other 2 products, following the same process. Now, we need to link these products to our funnel step. For that, we'll go back to our funnel step and click on the Add Product button. If we check the drop-down now, we'll see that all 3 of our products are showing here. It's important to note that this drop-down will show all products created under Products, but we have to select the specific product that we want to display on this page. If you have multiple products, you'll need to add them one by one. Now I'm selecting the first product. As soon as I select the product, the pricing option appears. Here, we can choose the default price that was set for this product, or if the price is different for this funnel, we can create a new price from the Click Here link. The product name is autofilled here, but we can change it if we want, and it will show that name in our funnel. The price text can also be overridden. Changing this won't affect the amount. It will just change the display text. Finally, if we click the Save button, our product will be connected successfully. In the same way, we have connected our other 2 products as well. You can see a red icon next to products here. This is because at the moment, I don't have any payment method added. If you have a payment method added, this warning will not show. However, even without a payment method, we can still connect our products to the page. Now, let's go to the preview of our page. When we click on the CTA button, the pop-up will open. In the first step, after entering the name, email, and phone number, we will move to the second step. We can see all the products we added. If we had only one product, only that single product would be shown here. If you notice carefully, when we switch between products, the order summary amount also updates accordingly. Since we don't have any payment method added right now, the checkout button is not enabled. Without a payment method, you can configure products, but to complete the checkout process as a customer, a payment method is required. Today, we have shown how to create a one-time product and link it to a funnel step. In the upcoming videos, we will show how to create and link products for recurring payments as well. I hope you've understood the entire process clearly. If you have any feedback or issues, feel free to let me know in the comments. See you in the next video.